nutrition and building cell vitality and repairing the nervous system and reducing stress. We have Mucuna purines bean, which is a very sweet bean. It's powdered. It grows with the raw cacao in the forest intertwined. And this particular product works on the kidneys, especially to ward off fear. Very important in very stressful situations. Also post-radiation chemotherapy where the nerve endings are frazzled. This product will help restore and reset and rebuild the nervous system. So for extreme stress, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, depression, works very quickly in a high dose to remove those symptoms and restore the nervous system in those people. It improves insomnia and improves the quality of sleep. It enhances libido and reproductive ability of the body. It builds muscle, enhances lactation. It is actually L-DOPA, dopamine precursor. Dopamine is the will to do things. So suddenly that to-do list gets done. It is a core energy that works with our willpower, which is the Jung energy. It has strong adrenal support and also has the ability to clean the gut. And it has a tryptophan-like substance which helps to produce serotonin and actually PEA. Adult dosage is approximately 2 capsules a day, building up to 2 capsules twice a day. And in children would be half that dose. So it's actually sweet. You can open up the capsules and put it on your food in any event. And in children too, you can put it in your smoothie boost. So highly recommended product, and with a multitude of benefits and advantages. And available on www.365healthybychoice.com.